Good afternoon, sports card world. Sunday here. Cody back, card attractions. Got some more videos, got some more cards here. We're still going to go over this 90 score today. We're going to go over some 89 traded set. But first, we're going to go ahead and we are going to go over this 1989 Donruss traded edition puzzle and cards. 1989 is a year in which a record number of major trades occurred. Donruss is pleased to present its first traded edition. This set features star players in the new uniforms: Nolan, Ryan, Jack Clark, Eddie Murray, and many others. It contains one stand musical puzzle and 56 cards. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this thing up here. Be gentle. Oh, here's the card. It's a puzzle card from 1989. Go ahead and sleeve this so it stays intact. Maybe. Really nice card there. It's just plain on the back, just a puzzle card. Don't know if it's worth anything or not, but definitely like check it out. Alright. Nice. So we got Jeffrey Leonard, Jack Clark, Kevin Gross, Tommy Hare, Bob Boone, Rafael Palmeiro, John Dobson, Willie Randolph, Chris Brown, Wally Backman, Steve Ontiverios, Eddie Murray, Lance McCollister, Spike Owens, Rob Murphy, Pete O'Brien, Ken Williams, Nick Eastley, Nolan Ryan. Really nice card there. I always like getting Nolan Ryan cards. I don't know if I have this or not, but I'm going to go ahead and sleeve it just to be certain. Brian Holton, Mike Moore, Joe Skinner, Steve Sachs, Rick Mailer, Mike Aldrich, Jesse Oscrow, Dave LaPointe, Walt Terrell, Eddie Williams, Mike Deverox, Julio Franco, Jim Clancy, Felix, Curtis Wilkerson, Bette Blevlin, Mel Hawk, Eric King, Mitch Williams, Jamie Myers, Rick Roden, Phil Bradley, Paul Kilgus, Milt Thompson, Jerry Brown, Bruce Hurst, Claudell Washington, Todd Benzinger, Steve Balboni, Odie McDowell, Charles Hudson, Ron Kittle, Andy Hawkins, Tom Brookins, Tom Needlefuel, and Jeff Parrott. So, excuse me guys, that was it. Just them 50-something cards, 89 Donruss traded. Really, if you're a Nolan Ryan collector, it's probably only really cards you are needed out of there, possibly. And then this really cool puzzle, nice to have. So, if you guys got any comments, drop it in comments. Thanks for watching the video. New watchers, subscribe to the channel. Drop a like, turn on the bells. I'll be going over more cards with you guys here in a little bit. Thanks and have a great day.